Hi, I'm Ian Rignon, an independent alternative media practitioner among other things. As you can see, nasa road tag ako. And actually, they are selling some refreshments here. Nag-ano sila, nagbebenta sila ng coffee, pero for some reason, nilibre ako ng mga ng staff road tag. So shout out sa kanila. I really appreciate it. Kasi I'm willing to pay naman, pero they gave this to me for free. So sino ba naman ako para tumanggi, 'di ba? So with that said, tara kape tayo. Mga kababayan, I did something that I have never done before. And that is uh I tried to put my bicycle inside a bus. And sa ngayon, RRCG Transport lang ang nagpapapasok ng mga full bikes. Yung mga katulad ng bike ko na nandyan sa labas ng nakapark sa labas ng road tag. Kasi normally, pinapayagan ng ibang mga point-to-point bus services ang mga folding bikes, mga foldies. And I do wish na magkaroon din ako ng foldie sa hinaharap. I wanna have a foldie in the future para naman hindi na ako mahirapan sa bike na yan kasi I almost had an accident in Makati kasi yung point to point sa Alabang Town Center mula ATC hanggang Greenbelt. So bumaba na ako sa may bandang Don Bosco, pumasok ako ng simbahan, of course, and then naglibot ako. And the reason why I went to Makati and did by modal is because I am scouting for bike parking. Kahit papaano, andun pa din yung steel parking sa malapit sa McDo sa Greenbelt. Pero since nire-renovate na ang Greenbelt 2, baka idamay din yung parking space doon. So I just wish na uh, you know, I just wish na maging maging uh, you know, maging ito ma-consider nila na na ilipat kahit pa paano ilipat yung bike parking para naman may makapag-park pa rin na mga nakabisikleta kasi karamihan siguro sa mga nakapark sa Greenbelt na nakita ko kanina, malamang mga nagba-bike to work, mga nagtatrabaho sa loob ng Greenbelt, and yung mode of transport nila is bisikleta. And malaking tulong yun para sa kanilang mga kababayan kasi it's really something that you know um it's really something that should be encouraged in such a CBD. Partida Sabado pa lang tong ginagawa ko. Paano pa kaya pag ito partida Sabado pa lang tong etong yung pagbabike ko, at marami nang nakapark nakapark na bike. Pero ayun nga, it's it's full, almost full. Buti na naisingit ko pa yung bike ko, and hindi na rin ako nagtagal. I just went to Greenbelt Chapel, nagliwaliw lang din ako, naghanap ng pwedeng mapagkapehan so that I can record a brood banter to share my experiences. Kaya lang sobrang daming tao sa Greenbelt. Marami ding tao ngayon sa Philinvest para may event yata doon, and then sa town malamang marami. Kaya this is a very good quiet nook here in Alabang. And somehow I might be the last customer for the day kasi pasara na kayo ma'am, no? 6 p.m. Ayun. So kinonfirm ko lang dun sa nasa counter. So yun. So 9 or 8 a.m. ang bukas niyo ma'am, no? 8 to 6. Okay, thank you. So, just to let you know, road tag is open Mondays to Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. That's 0800 to 1800 UTC plus 8. So that's midnight to uh, midnight to 10 o'clock. Midnight to 1000 UTC. Yun. Bakit ko pa inano sa UTC? Ano bang mayroon sa akin? Anyway, so the reason why I'm here is because yun nga, meron kasi silang sticker na na sobrang cool. It's absolutely cool. It's so cool that I put it in my own helmet, and I have spares for my other stuff. Isa sa bike, isa ko pang helmet. And I should have put it here, pero may paglalagyan ako dyan dito sa part na to. Hinihintay ko na lang ang chance na makuha ko yung na yun. Anyway, yun nga, back to the whole thing, back to the whole by model thing. Maganda sana kung at least dalawang magkaroon ng bike racks, or sabihin na natin mga limited capacity for bicycles sa mga bus, and even on our rail systems sa LRT. Kaya lang kasi ngayon parang pinapaboron nila ang mga folding bikes. And I guess hindi ko rin sila masisisi kasi napaka laki din ng bike ko. Bale, pagbalik ko mula Greenbelt papunta dito sa Alabang, dalawa kaming nakabike. The other one is a road bike, tas ako na MTB gravel hybrid. So, yun. It's either how do we address this? Number one, we can actually we can actually bring, or sabihin na natin make sure na yung nila, yung mga yung mga buses nila makaka-accommodate ng mga bikes, or mga normal bikes katulad ng sa akin, yung mga full frames. Or B, sana naman magtinda ng damihan naman ng ang tinda ng mga folding bikes, kasi malaking tulong din yun sa mga tao na parang napilitan mag-bimodal. Parang gusto sana nila na na padyakan ang destination nila mula bahay hanggang doon, kaya lang kasi katulad ko, kung papadyakan ko mula Intrepid HQ hanggang Makati, aabutin ako ng gabi. One way pa lang. So, one way pa lang. Lalong-lalo na at sobrang shitty ng traffic sa Metro Manila. I mean, cyclable naman ng ang Makati CBD, pero kasi it's not designed for bikes. It's not designed for bikes. Okay, one way, kaya lang ang nangyari kasi sa akin, I made a detour into this Greek Orthodox chapel sa harap ng Adamson Center. Kasi the Adamson family, the people who founded Adamson University, na alumnus dun yung isang pinsan ko, they're actually Orthodox Christians. So araw-araw merong divine liturgy doon, or divine office, whatever. And bukas lang siya for 2 hours in the morning. Sayang. So what I did is just chanted the Trisagion and made some prayers, and that's it. But then again, yun nga, it's nice na nagagawa ko yun ng nakabike. And another reason, yun nga, naghahanap ako ng bike parking, and I'm also scouting for Miss Intrepid kasi balak din niya kasing mag-drive mula sa kanila hanggang sa Makati, and she's a bit she's a bit not very apprehensive pero sobrang ano siya, kinakabahan pa rin siya na mag-drive sa Makati. Although hindi ako masyadong kinakabahan sa ah padya ko mula Intrepid HQ hanggang sa kung saan ko man gustong pumunta. The thing is sobrang how do I say this? Uh, Paano to? How do I say this? How do I say this? Hindi ko maalala yung sabihin ko eh. Ano yun? Shit. Wait lang. Okay, so I paused a bit kasi may dumating na Lazada delivery for the office. So hindi ko naman din masisisi na merong ganon. But mga kababayan, it's really something that I should actually sort out kasi how do I say this? Ayun, naalala ko na sabihin ko. Kasi katulad ito Miss Intrepid wants to drive to Makati. Ako naman, yun nga, nagawa ko na yung gusto kong gawin, mag-buy modal mula Intrepid HQ hanggang Makati. First part is I'll cycle to ATC, tapos second part magbabas ako, isasakay ko yung bike at maghanap na ako ng bike parking. Optimal is Greenbelt. Hanggang nandun pa ang parking sa Greenbelt. And then my alternative would be Ayala Triangle. And maganda dun may gwardiya, na babantayan ng gwardiya. So I think that's I can also recommend that kasi yun nga nagawa ko yun. And then kung parang ang next challenge ko na sa sarili ko is i-buy modal yung bike mula Intrepid HQ hanggang doon sa lugar ni na Miss Intrepid sa Marikina. Ayun. It's a bit challenging kasi yun nga magbabas ako mula ATC hanggang Makati. From Makati papadyakan ko ang Ayala, tagos ako ng BGC, and then magsi C5 ako. I really wanted to experience EDSA pero I would rather not kasi sobrang the way I see how EDSA is at this point, no thank you. Magsi C5 na lang ako. Mag-ingat na lang ako sa pagpadyak kasi pagdating doon sa may bandang Eastwood, tagos na yun hanggang Marikina doon sa lugar ni Miss Intrepid. So pwedeng magkita kami sa Riverbanks, sa SM Marikina, or maybe I can go all the way to her house. So maybe that's something that I can consider hopefully in the near future. So here's to me successfully doing that, and also here's to everyone who is doing bimodal, who is doing bike commuting, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga talagang nagbabike to work araw-araw, walang puknat, ang lalakas ng mga katawan ninyo, kaya saludo po ako sa inyo. I really thank you for what you're doing, and I hope that you would always ride safe. Here's to you. Cheers. That's a double shot Americano, and masarap siya. I have to say for a complimentary coffee. And ayun nga, again, I really want to give a huge shout out to Road Tag kasi hinayaan nila akong tumambay dito tsaka mag-iwan ng mga stickers, at nagdikit na rin ako ng sticker ko sa wall nila. ayun. I guess that's all that I have to say at this point. 15 minutes na, baka mabore na kayo. So with all that said, this is Intrepid Ian Riñon reminding you to at all times be the salt of the earth and the light of the world. Until then, look alive, stay alive, be kind to yourself and to each other, and always wear a helmet if you can. Okay? Importante na may helmet kayo pag nagba-bike ride kayo. May nasita ako ng mga fixie riders na walang helmet. Talagang pinagsabihan ko. Kasi kesyo fixed gear kayo, actually dapat nga kapag fixed gear kayo, dapat naka-helmet talaga kayo kasi you really can't control the bike dahil ang preno nyo paa din ninyo. So you have to have a helmet in case shit happens. And as much as possible, upgrade your bikes and have brakes in them. Huwag nyong asahan yung mga paa ninyo. Yun lang. And as always, thank you for watching. From here in Road Tag PH in Alabang, ride safe and see you next time. Ian out.